Hi guys, welcome to Tech of Game vs Fonts YouTube channel. Today I'll tell you that how to upgrade Windows 11 officially to your PC. So let's begin. So guys, today I'm going to tell you how to officially install the Windows 11 on your PC. So let's start this. This is the manual method to get the Windows 11 simply. So somehow, but if the PC that you are using built like a 2020 or your PC was inbuilt when you brought Windows 10, then don't install the Windows 11 using this method now I am telling. So please be patient. New PC users will get Windows 11 officially in the near future somehow. However, so let's see how we can get the Windows 11 update manually. Go to your settings and search the Windows Update or search the Windows Insider program. In the Windows Update section, you can see the Windows Insider program. From the Windows Insider program, go to the Get Start section. Now I don't do this because I got the Windows 11 update officially, and if you want to get the Windows 11 update, and I think if you can't be patient, you want to get the Windows 11 now, go to Windows Insider program and then just click the Get Start and then sign into your Outlook and then be a developer. Click on the developer option, and after be clicking the developer, you will be a Windows Insider programmer. After that, go to the Windows Update and check your update. Definitely you will get the Windows 11, and that is the way. And again I said, if the PC you are using is built like 2020 or your PC was inbuilt when you brought Windows 10, then do not install the Windows 11 using this method I told you, because please be patient. Your PC will get the Windows 11 officially in the nearest future. And from the Windows Insider program, you got Windows 11, but it's a beta version. So let's talk the features and the cool features on the Windows 11. So first of all, I'm starting with the new start menu. All of the new Windows 11 features, the new launch style floating start menu is the most distinct new part in the Microsoft Next Gen desktop OS. Unlike the traditional start menu, the new start, as the Microsoft is calling it, sit the right at the center of the taskbar, and it has the fly out the design with the pinned and recommended apps for each other. And so far in my usage, the recommendations are pretty good, and it's quickly offer me access to the documents, photos, and the apps I have recently used. Apart from that, you can hold your mouse over the search menu, and it will offer a few suggestions based on your past searches. And overall, I think the new start is the best thing about the Windows 11, and it's fast and serve your queries smartly and offer the best result within the seconds. For the users who are worried about the certain and the launch style start menu, you can switch back to the old Windows 10 start menu with the live tiles support. And the second thing is the new Action Center. So the second thing is my second favorite feature of the Windows 11 is that the Action Center. You can control your Action Center simply. It's follow a design launch that you have seen on the mobile OS, and I quite like this mobile first approach to the important system toggle. You can now simply click on the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth or whatever you want, in new Action Center. It's pack all the necessary controls, including brightness and volume slider, and you can add more toggles like before. And what is more interesting is that Bluetooth connection is now much faster, and you don't need to dive into the settings to pair your device. And it's also houses the notification in a clean design with the batch support, and offer the space into reply or clear the clutter. Not to mention, the new Action Center is responsive in comparison to the large mass and that the Windows 10 Action keys. So somehow I like this Action Center and the Universal Media Control. Yeah, you can now control your media playback from the Action Center on Windows 11. No matter if you are playing Windows, you are playing the YouTube video or the Spotify playlist or a Twitter clip or the local video, everything shows in the Action Center. Not that I tried to playing the video with the VLC, but I don't show up. However, when you played some local videos or the native film or an TV app, it worked perfectly. So yeah, the Universal Media Control is another neat feature in video in Windows 11. Yes, let's move to the other top feature in Windows 11. So the other function is the focus session. Focus session is the one of the best new feature of Windows 11, as it brings something new to Windows desktop OS that similar to what we have seen on the we have seen on the smartphone, that like do not disturb mode, blah blah blah, like that. To be productivity on the Windows 11, the Microsoft want to utilize the dedicated focus session feature in the alarms and the clock app. You can link your Microsoft to-do list with to manage your tasks, and integrate the Spotify to listen your favorite music during the work. And it's also remind you that to take a break after long hours of works, and lets you set the timer so you remains some to do tasks, and to bring helpful dashboard that to keep track of your progress. What I love the most is that there's the widget as well for the focus session, and you can place on the desktop for quick glancing if you want to learn how to focus session on the Windows 11. So I'll give you a video in the nearest future. The other thing is in the Windows 11 is that I told you about the gestures, advanced gesture control. From the settings, go to the accessibility and go to the mouse point touch, and then scroll down and go to the touchpad, and then you can see the 3-finger gestures and 4-finger gestures, and scroll and scroll, zoom, blah blah blah. That is the cool features. The gestures have long been part of the Windows 10, so but frankly speaking, that they were not very smooth, and transaction between apps and the desktop are full. With the new advanced gesture control, that with from the Windows 11, things look better. Now you can customize 3-finger gestures and 4-finger sweeps according to your preference. That you can do the multitasking, or show desktop, or switch app, like anything. After testing the Windows 11 inside a preview, not the insider preview, you can download the inside that Windows 11 from the insider, I told you, and this is the official one. And I think this feature will help you more than from you work, and this feature will help you more. 11 widgets, so you can see it from this, and it's interesting to see how much Microsoft is including in mobile driven design for its next generation desktop OS. So yes, with Windows 11, Microsoft has brought widgets where you can find all kind of information with just a click just a click. Yeah, you can find all information with just a click. That it's similar to Google Assistant snapshot feature. And the today's view in the Apple iOS 15 or Mac OS monitoring. Yes, and you can check out the latest news, and you can personalize photos pulled from the OneDrive, sports scores and stock prices, and much more. And the widget section is also customizable, and you can personalize it as per your interest. For tablet running in Windows 11, the widgets window fills the whole screen, and the making its one-stop dashboarding for your personal interest. So anyway, as for user who don't like this new feature, well, you can always choose the disable the Windows 11 widgets panel in few clicks. Yes, that's also good. So somehow the new context menu with rounded corners, that is the other thing I got and I cracked from the Windows 11 features. Windows 11 has finally brought a modern context menu that the sharp corners, and it gels well with the overall the Windows 11. And but let me tell you something, there's no refresh button in the context menu the previous version, but from the official Windows 11 that I updated this officially Windows 11, not this is not a beta version. From this we got the refresh button, that is also very good. And because if you are a Windows 11 beta user, don't be mad or where's my refresh button. You will get the Windows refresh button after the officially update your PC. After the launch of Windows 10, and the Microsoft has for the first time completely revamped the settings app. It's built from the scratch. The following mobile driven design that play well with both desktop and the tablets. And the settings page has been neatly categorized with the menu and the submenus, along with the static menu panel at the left. And so you can have breadcrumbs from easy navigation and expandable settings option, and for improved clarity. So you also get the power and the battery usage reports, and it's similar to smartphone. Some stunning themes. You can go to display and then advanced display. So if you want some themes, go to personalization. So you can see some themes from the backgrounds, and you can manage your the picture or from the background, and it's very cool. All in all, I really like that new settings redesign. And but in its current form, it's a bit slow and not as the responsive as the all would expect. And for those who are wondering, just you still having control panel at your disposal. It's also I want to tell you. Snapping was already great on Windows 10, but Microsoft has taken it a notch further with easier Snap Assist. This is new feature is called Snap Layout. So from this is the Snap Layout. Now when you hold your mouse point over the Windows minimize button, you will find out the various layouts. So how you want to position the window. You can also invoke the Snap Layout with option with the Windows key plus Z from the Windows keyboard shortcut. If you use the large monitor, with this will help minimize your productivity. So similar, the timeline feature has been removed in Windows 11, and now you have the clean task view. where you can add some many desktop as you want, and I like that while creating a new desktop overall. Both of these features are quality adding to Windows 11 and with the multitasking experience also. From this snapping layout, it's very good, and I think this is gives some personalization to your PC from this Windows 11 new features. So now I'm going to end the video. So if you want to get the Windows 11, you want to be a Windows Insider program, and then simply click on the get start and create an account and be a developer, and then you will get the Windows 11. And if you are using a PC that built like 2020, around 2020, or your PC was inbuilt when you brought Windows 10, then don't install the Windows 11 using the Windows Insider program, because please be patient, new PC users will get Windows 11 officially in near future. Check your Windows updates, and so subscribe our YouTube channel and thumbs up to you our video, and like and share to your friends, and we'll see in the next video. Bye.